Hey everybody, I like the laser cutter. It's got its limitations. That's the only thing I do not like is how long it takes to cut things. This is about your limitations. This is what you can get with the laser cutter. That's nice. That's nice, but I want it more. So I got me the X-Carver. So let's try it out. I'm starting off really simple. I'm going to do beer openers. They seem to be popular. So I did, this house has an open beer policy, and I'll have the beer opener right here. It'll probably be a wall hanger, or I'll do a little box. I haven't figured out yet, but this is something I want to do. Okay, I changed the bit to 1/8. So it'll take 21 minutes, but it shouldn't take that long because I'm not going to actually, I should actually fix that. I'm not going to have it cut through it because I figured why have the trouble of having, since it's square, to have it go all the way around. So I just wanted to etch it a little bit. Then I'll take the table saw, and then that will help me with that. And it'll save on the bits. Okay, 17 minutes. Probably would be less than that. Let me go to 1/8. Okay, don't really matter. Okay, 15 minutes. I was really amazed about how nice this program works. If the bit doesn't work for your text, it won't show up, or it'll actually show you what it'll look like. This is some amazing software, and I'm looking forward to see if I can get text like this. So let's give it a try. I have everything bolted down. I should have showed you guys all the steps that has to go through it. Let me show you. First, we put it into place. Okay, first you go to carve, and then the material, and then confirm the thickness. I have it clamped down on all sides. Now this I'll use to, you can't see it, but I'm actually moving the X-Carver from across the room because I'm going to center it. I didn't get the probes, but I figured I probably didn't need them because everything I'm doing is mostly hands-on anyway. And then, oops. So I move over a little bit. Let me go check it. Now, the material's secure. I'm using the 1/8 uncut bit, converted bit. I have the probe, but I find it more of a hassle. So I manually put the blade right to the bottom and then confirm where I want it, and then erase the bit. I'm going to go turn on the spindle. You won't hear me after that. Okay, then turn on the spindle. Spindle goes on, and let me get it ready. this was a good test. It made me realize that this side is still a little low and the P didn't turn out. So what I did was I let it finish, go back to home, then I started over again and made it deeper so it filled it in. So now I'm going to have to adjust this, but that's what this is about. Trial and error. So let's see. Like I said, I'm going to cut the rest out. Look how clean that is. That is really clean. I just have to clean the little spots. That's nice. Now what I'll do is, I bought 100 of these. They were like 65 cents a piece if you bought 100. Sign. $20. I have to fix it up, sand it, and probably fill this in, but isn't that cool? Nice. I really like this machine. It would have taken forever to do this on the laser. Now I could have just lasered it. This is the right size, but I want to do bigger stuff. I want to do more. So I think this is really going to help me out. Thanks for watching, and I hope to show you more videos.